We're heading home now. Talon. I thought I had to ride the back. We're about ready.
Completely forgot about the tailgate.
Yeah? I just picked up your Gatorade bottle.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Thank you, my dear.
Testing you, testing me, huh? Hi, baby.
Hey.
Hi, baby. Ready.
Wow.
I don't know how to rotate this phone, though. Babe, can you help me, babe?
What?
I don't know how to rotate this.
Rotate?
Yeah.
I mean rotate.
We're switching seats. Talon.
Boots and then the cats.
Oh my gosh.
Boots and cats.
That's fine.
Okay. When I put the other seat, it sits up quite a bit higher and it'll sit back more.
Okay.
Can you get the too tight?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. It's going to be comfortable. Where you actually like coming with me. Jeep.
Talon is happy.
Yeah. Everybody needs to be happy. Mom's
His legs gonna fit in here.
Can't
So
believe that's
we-
still working. I barely wired it in there.
So we switch until the seats, the old seats, move back, huh? Mamaya, tatanggalin ko na tong hat ko kasi pag 65 mile per hour na lilipad na eh. Lilipad rin. Say hi.
Hi.
Goober. Governator. Yan na. Pauwi na kami sa bahay. Mga mahigit sang oras din yung biyahe. Gonna take my hats off in a minute.
What time is it, my dear?
I don't know what time is it, Alan.
3:35 p.m.
3:35? Chama. Ito yung Chama,
3:35.
New Mexico.
3.5 hours today, my dear.
Okay. Medyo malaki siya unti. Medyo malaki siya unti sa 12, New Mexico. The breeze feels
My dear,
good.
you need me to stop?
No. I'm glad it wasn't raining anymore.
How's your hair?
It's flying.
Bad?
It's fine. Oh, guys. Sa likuran. Dito, paliko. Maya-maya unti. Mabilis na yung takbo. Mali pala yung hat na nadala ko. Patanggalin ko na nga. mag-add extra 30 minutes kami sa biyahe. Whereas kung dito, shortcut na sa amin. Kahit na pangit yung daan, lubak-lubak. At least hindi na kami mag-add ng another 30 minutes. You like it there?
Huh?
You like it there?
Yeah.
Man,
What you saying? Right?
Did I like it here?
gusto niya dyan. Ha?
Is it better than the back?
What?
Is the back better, my dear, or the side?
It doesn't matter.
What does matter for the truck?
My knee doesn't touches on the seat. I have a short leg.
You what, my dear?
I have a short leg.
Yeah, I know. Lucky you, huh?
Says, di ka pagod siya, oy.
I do you like one of those child booster seats?
What?
Do you a child booster seat?
Grabe, mahangin sa labas.
Don't need to turn around. That's kind of confusing. Or maybe it's not.
Yeah, he has to turn in there. Then turn.
I just smile.
Mal, patakan.
Maybe it's from that one.
Chama. Snow cones. Snow cones at pointing at the fire department. I don't know. Ice cream parlor. There? Ice cream parlor.
Oh, there you go. That's probably have ice cream anyway.
I'd at least have ice cream in a parlor.
Yeah. We're just gonna pull in here so I can see what they have. Then we'll go back to the ice cream. It's ice cream. We scream, we all scream for
Hag
ice cream.
Hikarela Travel Center.
Ice cream, bicycle.
Right. Let me know if they have something.
Okay.
Not what I needed. That's what I needed.
Binalik ko ulit yung hat ko kasi hindi na sa highway dadaan eh. Papunta na kami doon sa lubak-lubak na daan. What?
Unbelievable. Sorry, no flushes.
Oh, no?
They said it right on a sign in front. In the front.
Okay.
I needed to see if I can get this back in. Bicycle. I can survive through the ice cream parlor without this seatbelt.
To the parlor.
The parlor.
Parlor.
A parlor.
How about a parade? Parade.
Parlay.
Imagine they don't have ice cream though.
Don't see their open sign on, but that doesn't mean much.
Pick up order here. Are they open?
I don't know.
Scoop. What's in there? 5
Pick up
scoop.
order here.
5-pound banana split.
Shakes, splits, sundae.
Single scoop,
Smoothies.
double scoop. Milkshakes, any flavor? Sundays? Life is short, make it sweet.
So much for a little treat on the way home.
Oh, they're closed?
Yeah.
Oh.
Over their
can you help
hours,
me
they don't
with my
show
seatbelt
hours or
situation
nothing.
now first?
Huh?
Can you help me with that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Possibly.
That's no fun.
We need to find our next ice cream shop on the road.
In Pagosa?
Yeah. Let's go to Pagosa now.
No,
Nice
that's
if they had
a
their
long.
hours listed, you know.
That's a long road, long drive.
Well,
He's asking, let's go to Pagosa.
you can check out the casino, but I don't know exactly where it is.
Could.
Next time when they're open, then we don't need it,
Yeah, like, ice cream sounds bad. Hey, look, they're open.
right? Homebound.
Has came off like 10 times.
I mean, your whole
Those
foot.
bushes are like hard.
Are they?
Yeah, they suck.
Really, the road is rough. Rough road.
What happened to
I
you?
have to
I don't know.
hang on. Why is it? Why is
You
it?
don't even need it. Oh, that's very sensitive.
Why? Where's your thing?
Right.
It came off.
Yep.
Why?
SOS.
Alright.
Why did it came off?
Oh, good God. I don't know, my dear. There's years and years of neglect, I think.
All the drive, all the bumps.
Did you know something? It's a little too excited.
Exactly. Get a bit.
Okay. I get it.
Watch out in there. Ay, dula pa
Oh
din siya.
yeah. Oh,
That's satisfying.
yeah. Not really. What kind of song? And they like flip me back with no pads. They just kind of like they just send me back. You know?
Indian reservation, that's way too confusing for me. Yeah, I'll fix it. The thing about these little trips is you can discover all of these.
Lapit na kami sa Colorado. Ito na siya. Welcome, Colorado.
There.
Skoy. Bale, oy.
Oh, sorry, my dear.
Huh?
I'm actually going pretty slow. I thought I should speed up on that one next time.
It bounced me.
I'm sorry, my dear. I didn't mean to balance you. I gotta look at this one more time real quick.
Huh?
I gotta look at this one more time real quick. It bothers me.
Oh, what is it? Your beep, your
Yeah.